What do you do when you put your key in the ignition and turn it and nothing happens? Well, let me show you what you need to do so you won't panic. First thing I would do is turn on the lights to see if they're dim. These are pretty dim. They should be a lot brighter than this. Next thing, turn on your headlights. We're not getting anything. The reason we are checking the lights to see if they're dim or not coming on is to determine if the battery is the problem. If the lights were bright, then the reason your car is not starting is another issue. Next, give your battery cables a twist to see if they're loose. This is often a very overlooked problem that can be easily fixed by tightening the battery cable posts. If you don't have some type of bracket that holds your battery down like you see here, over time, the cables can become loose with vibration caused by your engine and everyday driving. These are nice and tight. Let's go look at one other thing. Now look at the date on your battery. This says December 2018 and we're in 2022, so we've got 4 years out of this battery. I think we've got our money's worth. Now if your battery is dead, you can do two things. You can either get yourself some jumper cables, or you can get with the times and get yourself a jump starter like this. The other option would be to get a new battery, but first let me show you how to jumpstart your car so you can drive somewhere to replace it or get where you need to go. I highly recommend getting one of these jump starters. They will save your butt, and you can be the hero when someone has a dead battery. The battery lasts a long time, and you can jumpstart your car approximately 13 times on a full charge. I'll leave a link in the description down below, that way you can get one of these. It also has a flashlight on it. You can lower it down, it can flash, warn other vehicles that you're broke down. It's really nice. It also has some charge ports there, that way you can charge your phone. Alright, first thing we're going to do is connect the cable in there. Get your red cable and put it on the red positive side and the black one on the negative side. It's just as simple as pressing the power button. After you turn the jump starter on, it will do a diagnostic test to make sure you have the cables hooked up correctly. Give it a few seconds and it'll start sending a charge to your battery. Now just go inside your car and turn it on. Now let me show you how to jumpstart your car using jumper cables. Now there's a correct sequence that you're supposed to follow, but we all forget. The way I remember it is the battery that's dead only gets red, which means the dead battery only has the red positive cable attached to the red positive side. Now go to the vehicle with the good battery and attach the red cable to the red positive side and the black cable to the negative side. Next, go to the vehicle with the dead battery and attach the negative black cable to a bolt that is attached to the frame or the engine. The reasoning behind this is that it can prevent the possibility of ruining the electronics in your vehicle due to a power surge, a short circuit, and even prevents the possibility of the battery exploding if your battery is leaking hydrogen gas, which will smell like rotten eggs. So if you smell that, do not try to jumpstart your car, get a new battery. Now have the vehicle that has the good battery to start their engine. Give it about 10 seconds to charge your battery and start your car. Now when removing the cables, remove them in reverse order, starting with the black negative cable attached to the bolt. And make sure not to have the jump starting cables touch, or you could cause a short circuit and damage either vehicle's electronic system. Now that you're back on the road, I will leave a link to my other video on how to choose and replace a car battery yourself. I hope this video helps you out next time you encounter a dead battery to get you or someone else back on the road. I will leave a link in the description if you would like to purchase the battery jump starter. I do receive a very small commission when you use the link, and it will help my channel out a bunch so I can continue delivering great content. Please consider subscribing if the video helps you out, and have a blessed day everyone.